Hello, we are CoinJoy, a cryptocurrency news aggregator. We check the reliability of all the news sources and collect the information about the crypto world in one place. Sounds good, right? So here is what recently happened. Coronavirus goes around the world, overturns markets, and recession risk rises to 53%. The World Health Organization declared coronavirus to be a pandemic. Now, countries will have to concentrate more effort into detecting and containing COVID-19. The number of cases has been rising and more than 120,000 people are infected worldwide. Coronavirus is already impacting the economy of several countries, mainly Italy and China, the main focuses of COVID-19. Italy and China have the 8th and 2nd largest economies in the world, respectively, which has a profound impact on global growth. In response to the coronavirus, central banks around the world began to cut interest rates to encourage the economy. The Fed recently made an emergency cut. Bank of England has followed suit. The trend is that interest rates worldwide will fall to encourage the economy with cheaper credit. Does the world situation affect cryptocurrencies? Absolutely yes. Shall we know about it? God, of course we must know about it. Now, have you noticed how swiftly everyone is moving from offline to online life? I mean, seriously, meetings get cancelled all over the world. Universities are moving into Skype and Zoom. Just a few days ago, I saw news literally saying coronavirus conference gets cancelled because of coronavirus. Now imagine moving fully online. I mean, like totally. Navigating financially in the virtual world becomes like an essential skill. Afterwards, forewarned is forearmed. So what's up on the crypto front, guys? After briefly indicating a breakaway from February's bearish period, March sprung a surprise after the collective cryptocurrency market suffered one of the worst depreciation periods of 2020. The Bitcoin price lost a staggering 18% over the last 2 days, dragging the wider cryptocurrency market down and causing double-digit percentage losses for the likes of Ethereum, Ripple's XRP, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. So almost 30 billion suddenly wiped from crypto markets. Just like that, can you imagine? Whoosh, and it's gone. Crypto analyst Jacob Canfield says traders should tread lightly, warning Bitcoin may be nowhere near hitting a bottom. Well, easy for him to say. He's tracking Bitcoin's weekly moving averages to identify the next key levels of support. Jacob says, don't panic, think logically, make your plan. There are 2 support levels to watch for on Bitcoin. The weekly 100 MA, 7,200 to 7,500, and the weekly 200 MA, 5,000 to 5,500, where we bounced at 3,400. Wait for a reaction. Be patient. No need to rush in front of a moving train. Now, how come there is always some smart guy telling you not to panic? I mean, I don't want to overreact, but seriously, I bet when the end of the world comes, I mean the real one, not one of those fake spoofs, there'll be someone standing in the middle of a roaring crowd saying, don't panic, think logically, make your plan. Anyways, as the leading cryptocurrency continues to show red and traditional markets take a prolonged beating, another top analyst is outlining 7,700 as a key short-term level to watch. Most of the crypto market is once again in the red, with Tezos, Bitcoin SV, Litecoin, and Ethereum all down 5% or more. Hoa, how about some good news now? Binance USD, a US dollar-backed stablecoin, has surpassed $100 million in market capitalization, chipping away at a market still dominated by Tether's TUSD. Also known as BUSD, the token is traded almost exclusively on the Binance exchange, and its market cap, which roughly corresponds to the total value of dollars deposited with its issuer Paxos, is currently at $115 million. Binance USD runs on top of the Ethereum blockchain. Meanwhile, Unchained Capital, a Bitcoin native services company, announced the release of its new Vault product. Unchained vaults use dedicated on-chain Bitcoin multi-signature addresses, which means users get to control who holds keys to these addresses. The Unchained Capital website makes it easy to upload public keys, build new vault addresses, and coordinate transaction signing. Moreover, Unchained can co-sign with the user if requested or if they lose one of their keys. Still, users remain in control, what Unchained calls the collaborative custody model. These new vaults integrate seamlessly with the company's existing loans. Once a user has funded a vault, if they are then looking to borrow against their Bitcoin or use a future product, it can be done so easily and quickly from within the web application. Just if everything in the world could be done easily and quickly from within the web application. That's all for today, folks. Cheers, wash your hands, and stay tuned to CoinJoy.